Hey guys, it's Sunday. I'm in the office again. It's 9:45, a little late. Um, so during the night we got um, about 20 more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. One more item on our second eBay store. And on our main store, just 4 more items. On eBay, it's a slow weekend. We usually sell more, but on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, it's going pretty good. So far, what was it? Friday and no, just Saturday, almost 40 items. So that's good, and we still have this Sunday to go. So that's good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack all the orders, eBay and Amazon. Also, I'm gonna list some more items on eBay and take more pictures and organize the office a little bit. Since the crisis hit us, everything is pretty chaotic. So I'm focusing more on dealing with the business than organizing the office. So I'll probably need to organize the office also. So we'll see how it goes. So I was actually gonna start scanning some more CDs to see if I can list them on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, but my scanner died, so I'm gonna pack stuff. I just wanted to mention that usually at this time of year we go to garage sales because this is the season for garage sales. And because of the crisis, the health crisis that's going on right now, there's nothing. So whenever you have a chance to source locally through Facebook, Craigslist, or whatever you can find through your own websites, people contacting us also. So if you have a chance to source, just source, because it's gonna be limited pretty soon, I guess. Hopefully everything will be back to normal, but you can never know what's gonna be. So if you have a chance to source, be cautious about it, but try to source as much as possible. So I pulled the orders for eBay and for the first main store and second store. So this sold for the second store, just another PlayStation 2 game for sold for $12. On our main store we sold a Bible. It's like a big, comes in a box. It doesn't, not in the greatest condition, but comes in a box, looks nice. Sold for $22. We have a Hot Wheel, a truck. We sold for I think 16 and shipping on top. We sold the Sims 3. I think it's an expansion, just a CD, for $9. We got this from one of our sourcing videos. You can see in the house with the dragon's head and the boat, the crazy ship they had in the living room. And this is we sold this one, which is we sold this for a lot of money. We sold this for $162. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire from 2000. It's a first edition from the UK. So yeah, those are pretty collectible. And Harry Potter, collectors, they pay a lot of money for stuff like that. We sold a bunch of random Harry Potter stuff. It's just crazy. We have also a few snow globes. Let me see if I can find them. Super tiny snow globes. Look at that. Super tiny snow globes. We have 3 of those. We sold each one for like 20 something. people, we had a few more when we had people asking to split them because they're missing one from their collection. So we sold like 2 or 3 separately, and we keep separating the set. So yeah, Harry Potter stuff, if you find something unique, always check the first page. Like, I'll show you for a second. If it looks something pretty good, as you can see, always check. You see, it's the first edition. And what else? British Library. I think this is it. I didn't do the research. My wife did the research for this, but you can check online for the comps, and you can see what considers to be first edition from the UK or from the US. It's all over the place, so just make sure you list it right. So I'm gonna pack those. So I finished packing all the items for our 2 eBay stores. I packed a few for Amazon, just 3 or 4 items. Also, while I was packing, we sold this Mario Kart and Zelda in a Mario case for a Nintendo Switch for $90. So this one we got from, also, if you can see one of my sourcing videos, we got this at the same house we got the Sims with the dragon's head. Really messy house, and I think we sold something, another thing now. So we got it from a really messy rich house. So we paid $50 for everything, and just this one sold for, oh no, just payment receipt. So we paid $50 for everything, and just this one sold for $90. So it's gonna go first class, but I'm gonna add insurance on it, which will be another 80 cents if you use pirate chip. So I'm just gonna pick the item once I'll find it and pack it. So here it is. This is the Mario Mario Kart Deluxe 8 with the game, and Zelda game also in the case. So I'm just putting everything together because this is the Nintendo case. For games, you put games here. So I'm just gonna put everything together, and if you can see, it weighs like 11 ounces. So I'm gonna pack it with cardboard and bubble wrap and cardboard, and probably put it in an envelope, and that's it. So I'm going to list a few CDs. I scanned a few more CDs. I got my scanner running. So I went through those and those. So there's about, let's say, like almost 20 CDs in each one on average. So about 150 CDs, 150 CDs to list. Very slow moving CDs, very high ranks, but as long as I'm making, I did my calculations, and if I'm selling a CD for $6.50, I'm making $1. So I'm just listing to see, it's a volumes game. So as the more you have, the more you sell, the more money you make. So we got nothing else to do, right? No FBA, so I'm giving it a shot and see what happens. I have the room for it, so hopefully it will sell. Right now, we got some more Amazon orders. I'm at 43. so things are going pretty good. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So another 143 CDs, all right here. Didn't take me so long. Had to throw away a few. They weren't worth it to merchant fulfilled or anything to sell online. So I packed a few of my Amazon orders, merchant fulfilled, that came from that's yesterday, and a few from today. And in the office I have my eBay orders all packed. So I'm gonna list the I'm gonna list the CDs now. I'm gonna list a few stuff on eBay because I haven't yet, and that's it. So I was printing labels for eBay. This is everything from our first and second store. And also we got another sale while I was printing the labels. This is a technical supply company, drafting or drawing instruments. It's not in the greatest condition, but we got this from our last sourcing video. 15 plus $7 shipping, and it cost us basically less than $1. And also on Amazon merchant fulfilled, we got 51 orders. Some of them are packed. Basically it's about 30 items so far this Sunday. So I need to go pack them also and print. I'll probably print the labels tomorrow morning. So right now I'm gonna, I already listed a few items on eBay, and I'm gonna go and probably try to organize the office a little bit and see what else I gotta do. Maybe I'll go home early, doubt it, but I'll see what I'm gonna do. So I've been going through some of the items and I found a few more. Those are FBA worthy DVDs. So this one and this one. So I'm gonna merchant fulfill them. Also I went through more CDs. They aren't unlisted yet, but I will list them. Around 80 or 90 total. And now I'm gonna pull Amazon orders because this day has been pretty good. 54 orders so far, including yesterday's 18 or 19, something like that. So about 30 something. So now I'm gonna go and pack some stuff, so I won't have any major, packing to do tomorrow, which is Monday. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, that was interesting. I'm done packing. Yeah, that's double row. Yeah, that was interesting. I need to find a better system than what I have, that's for sure. But I'm still figuring it out. Just the first week of merchant fulfilling. I think, let's see how many orders we got. 57 orders in 2 days. Yeah, that's interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna try and organize some stuff here, and I'll see what happens. So I'm about to head home. We sold 15 items that are already packed and with shipping labels on eBay. 15 and 2 more on our second store, and we got one pending that we got now. It's a textbook in an acceptable condition. It's in really rough condition, but sold for $75 on eBay. So we had a pretty good weekend. About 60 orders on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and about 15 or 20 on eBay. The office organization is gonna be delayed for next week, but I'll get to it. So my plan for next week is to just continue listing merchant fulfilled items and on eBay as we do daily. That's it basically. Nothing, no sourcing for now, but we'll see what happens. I'll try to list to post some ads on Craigslist and Facebook, and I'll see if something happens. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys, stay safe.